All right. So inside the e-com profit on demand blueprint, these are what you get. So let's just take a look at what e-com profit on demand blueprint is actually made of. All right. First, we give you a jealously guided list of 10 super hot products. These products are hot in demand, and the same level as the same product that brought in the 30 million naira in 3 months for Mr. Olaide Alim. You get a list of 10 of these products, each costing less than $3. As a matter of fact, none of them cost up to $2, as a matter of fact. Yeah. If you know me too well, you know I love just being very, very cool with figures, as a matter of fact. Because with $3, $5, you should still be making wonderful, cool, wicked profit, right? But imagine you're not getting something less than $2. What becomes of your profit margin? These products are carefully selected with direct links to get them at the cheapest prices. The list also contains the best retail top converting prices to sell these products, so you don't harm your profit margin. And if you must know, bad pricing can kill your business, and that is the fact. Ask any economy. So we give you the best price to sell this product for you to break even, make profit, and turn over as much as fast as possible. Now, if you walk up to us any day, if you walk up to me and ask me for a list of 10 hot products, I will charge you 40,000 naira. Just that if you are, if I'm in my good mood, right? That's not all. We will show you how to turn yourself into a hot product powerhouse. Now, I don't believe in always giving you fish. I also believe in giving you hook. Now, the 10 product is to help you get off the ground running, so your business can start running, right? But what stops you from getting a way, knowing that same way through which we dig out this product? So we will show you how to turn yourself into a hot product powerhouse, so that you can even be digging up products for people and selling for people. All right, you can actually get products for people and sell just product links, product names for 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 25,000 naira. All right, so we'll be giving you other additional other methods of digging out product apart from the one already showed on AliExpress. Right, we'll give you 2 additional and easier methods to dig up hot products with near zero competition, 25,000 naira in value. Then we'll give you links to all the contacts you'll ever need. These are our inside bedroom contacts. People we've done business with, the suppliers we've done business with, the shipping companies we use, the outsource agent we use. And if you come to me on a good day and corner me by the side, or come to my office and say, hey, Mr. Patrick, I need this information, I will say, Mr. Man, I need your 75K. But here, you're not even getting it anything close to that. All right, then we'll hand you over Olaide's point and kill unique strategy to dominate Facebook ads. Now, he showed a bit of stuff about Facebook ads in his video earlier on, and all of you were going haywire. Hey, what if he now takes you into a 1-hour video and show you the nitty-gritties, where you need to click, what you need to put, how you need to fix each and every bolt and nut to bring about the wicked result he's getting from Facebook, right? While he was doing that video, I told him, Mr. Man, make sure you give your best here so that nobody watch that video and come back to tell you the video is nonsense. I don't want a bad name on the a bad reputation on the name I've actually spent years to build. All right, that is why it's very difficult for me, featuring people in my trainings or speaking in people's engagement, especially when I cannot vouch for your integrity. All right, so he poured out everything there, and he told me 7 persons are only persons using that strategy in this country, as a matter of fact. So if you come in right now, you should be in the first early bird testers using this strategy to build big businesses for themselves. And notice that the secrets and the strategies he showed in this video, in this blueprint, can not only be used to sell imported items. What about you that sell hair? What about you that have locally sourced products? You can actually use this to sell it, right? He showed us a picture of Babalawo selling her crafts on Facebook, selling her charm on Facebook. Now, if a Babalawo can sell her charm on Facebook, what about you? So this is priceless. 35,000 naira if you come on a good day and want him to teach you this strategy. Okay, then you get every data for Facebook ad to advertise the 10 products, because we want to make the whole process easier for you. That's actually the reason why this blueprint is very, very important. We'll provide you with the data to run a better FB ad for all the 10 products, the target age range, the best location, the actual message to use your ad, and the retargeting ideas. All right, and this is valued at 10,000 naira. Then we'll show you how to avoid the rampant FB ad ban. Now, if you don't take time, Facebook will drive you back to your village, because I know a guy that opened up to 10 accounts in a week and all of them were banned. All right, but Olaide Alim have been using one Facebook account for over a year. How did he do that? You get to find that out here, and If you want to get this outside this blueprint, then you should be ready to pay Olaide Alim 10,000 naira. But here you're almost getting that for, you know, at a price next to nothing. Then we'll show you how to set up the one-pager sales machine within 10 minutes. As a matter of fact, it actually takes less than 10 minutes. But then, like I said earlier, I love keeping my stuff on low, right? Then we'll show you how to go around all the technical stuff involved in page creation. We got you covered. We'll show you how to register a domain name easily, host it within 5 minutes, then install a WordPress on it so that you start creating your pages as fast as possible. And if you must know, okay, I'll get to this later, shortly, yeah? Then we'll give you a $197 word drag and drop Instabuilder software. This software will actually make you lazy, but smarter. As a matter of fact, this software can enable even a moron, is a point and kill kind of thing, to design, hook a moron, so long you can copy and paste. You can put up a sweet looking website in 10 minutes. And with this tool, putting everything online becomes easy and fast. This is the same tool Olaide used to create that page you saw him use, alright? This software costs about $197. Instabuilder is the name. Go check it. Go Google it. It costs about $197, and I think that is actually for the single license. But here we are giving you a multi-license that you can resell and use on your client side and use on your own multiple domain names and sites, right? This is what $197, that's 2,819 naira. And if you must know, I've never been to any web design school or taken any web design course or training before, but using this Instabuilder software, I was able to design my ecomtycoon.com site under 15 minutes. All right, you can check the site out. I did that site. I'm very, very bad in technical stuff, but I did that site myself under 15 minutes. You too should be missing a lot if you do not have this Instabuilder in your kitty, right? If you don't have it in your among the tools that helps, you know, power your trade. Okay, it's worth 72,000 naira, but believe me, you are getting it. All right. Then, as if that is not all, you get the same order collector form plugin, so you don't get to miss any order. Remember, what the average people out there do is when they place an ad, they tell you to order, send us a text or WhatsApp us. The truth is, if you doubt me, try this. There are some numbers you add on WhatsApp. It takes time for them to add on your phone. It takes time for them to show on WhatsApp. Now, if the person gets out of his buying mode, you are likely to lose him because, when somebody has read your marketing message and they're interested, and you don't force them to take action immediately, and then there's a reason that breaks that link, you might likely lose the person. But with this plugin, right on the site where the person reads about the product you're selling, he puts in his name, choose the product you want to buy, choose everything, and click submit my order. You receive it in your email. All right. If you have VAs, people who help you process orders, you can add their email as well. They will receive it. So you just enjoy your life, and your VA takes care of all those things, right? So this is the plugin. Worth 10,000 naira, but you'll be getting access to this plugin in this Ecom Profit on Demand blueprint. Then we'll give you access to Revolutionary Ecom Tycoon course, right? This is the Ecom Tycoon course I talked about earlier on. This is a course that has sold over 1,000 copies, right? And it is a foundational course I made some time ago that shows you a brand new system that helps anyone find hot in demand products for $3 or less, pay in naira, ship in 5 days, and show you the easiest place to sell them for huge profits. You get this course worth 10,000 naira for free, right? If you come into the Ecom Profit on Demand blueprint. Now we'll show you how to create your own unique but powerful videos for your FB ads in 10 minutes. Now, a lot of persons have complained to me that they've because they go download videos online and use on their FB ad, the real owners of the video report to FB, and FB hates such things. They shut down both your ad and shut down your account. You don't want that to happen to you, because we want you to have the best of the tools and not say, oh, these people didn't tell me that Facebook shut down ads. We went as far as finding a way to create powerful Facebook videos, generate it. You don't need to know any coding stuff or anything, or any graphic design idea. Just put in the necessary details there, and you generate a unique video tied to you alone. All right. If you want this on a very good day, we're ready to give it to you at 5.5. But here, no, you're not getting anything close to that, right? Then my gun in the hair strategy of bypassing high cost of private label, OEM. Now the truth is, only somebody on that is 5 feet, 6 feet below, that doesn't aspire to grow, right? At a point in your career, in your main importation and e-commerce journey, you want to start producing your branded products. Like, you want your name to be on the product. I can't stress the advantage enough, because if everybody is selling a particular product, all right, it becomes somehow washy in the market. Everybody knows about the product. Now you bring in your own and you have a new name on it. It gives you a big, huge edge. All right. As a matter of fact, I private labeled one of my hair loss products and sold the hell out of it. A very popular hair loss product, but I private labeled it and I sold the hell out of it. Now the problem with private labeling is most times these suppliers tell you to buy up to 1,000 pieces, 1,000 pieces, 2,000 pieces for them to private label it for you. All right, they don't want to go through the set of private labeling for you so that tomorrow you leave them and go and buy from someone else. So they want to force you to buy high. Now, what is the need? Tying down all your buying capital, all your capital in one product. Why? I don't think that is wise enough. So I found a way to still get that private label features on my product while buying the number of products I want. These secrets, I mean, I've never revealed it anywhere, and if I should do, it's worth 25,000 naira. But here, I'll be giving you this secret, handing it over to you so that you can go use it, to private label your product and avoid spending too much, right? Now, as if those are not enough, we'll give you the same secret social profit plugin that helps Olaide increase sales by 200%. You saw what was popping out on his website by the left hand side below, right? This saves you the huge cost of $600 per year you would have spent on programs like ConvertProof. We'll give this to you so that you can start using it on your site to convert customers by 200% and push sales by 200%, right? Then we'll show you how to reduce returns to the barest minimum. Return can actually pull you back to the village, but then we'll show you what you need to do, some tips you need to do to save money. Because when these companies return most of these products, they charge you to take it to the buyer doesn't pick it up, they charge you again to bring it back. So you want to start from the onset to check against that. And what do? There are tips that can help you reduce return rates by 75%. These tips is worth 25,000 naira if we are to put a price to it. Then we'll hand you over my jealously guided automation tips of the unseen gods. What do I mean by automation? Like, how enjoy more freedom in your business, right? You don't want to, if it's possible, to actually get less involved in your business so that all you need to do is just get bank alerts. You will do it, and that's actually the goal, right? So I will show you the tips that enable me get these things automated, get people to do these things for peanuts, and then I enjoy and just oversee, right? And just show you. This is a tip I've never reviewed anywhere apart from this online presentation, and I will only be letting people who come into the Ecom Profit on Demand Blueprint get access to this 45,000 naira value tips, right? Now, if you calculate all these values in red, they are about 420. They total to about 420,390 naira. But now you are not going to be paying that, because that is not the reason. That is not me helping you, right? If I ask you to pay that, even though you can go pick the information, go make times 10 that amount in a couple of weeks, months, right? But that is not the goal here. There is actually a plan, and a grand plan for that matter. The Ecom Profit on Demand Blueprint is only meant to admit 50 persons, 50 super hungry, success hungry fellows, right? But because we want to do something absolutely crazy with a lesser number, we decided to split that 50 number into two. That's Group A and Group B. What we plan doing for the first 25 persons ought to get the second 25 persons jealous. And indeed, you would understand what I mean shortly. The first 25 persons will enjoy something absolutely crazy. A whooping 393% discount. That means they're not paying 420,390 naira, but they are getting a 93% discount on that price, right? And that means that they won't be paying this, but they will be paying 93% of 420,000 naira. That's about 39,000 naira. But then you're still not going to pay 39,000 naira. You only be paying 29,000. That means we're offering you a discount that is even more than 94%. I think close to about 96% discount, right? So the onus is on you right now to take advantage right now that you still can. Right